Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for a quick product spotlight looking at the wonderful world of GeoF Trumper. There is maybe no other brand that embodies London sophistication and gentlemanly coolness like GeoF Trumper. The George F. Trumper, he started this business in 1875. It has been a staple in London, number 9 Curzon Street. These guys have been making shaving creams and perfumeries and other skincare products for literally more than 150 years. We are so happy to be carrying them at Razor Emporium. We've been stocking them for many years. I thought, it's been a while since we've done a video. We need to kind of refresh. We've expanded some of the offerings. But Trumpers is one of the brands, kind of the big three, the Taylor of Old Bond Street, Trumpers, and then Truefit and Hill, the 3 T's as I call it, kind of the 3 crowns of London. And these guys are making some of the most classic, the most Victorian, the most old school, gentlemanly, manly products out there. If you're thinking of London sophistication, you have to think of GeoF Trumper. I personally think that they embody some of the most fragrant smells, some of the most deep notes. This is still my all-time favorite sandalwood out there. Every time I open this and smell this, it is so nice. And they're very complex. These scents are like, if they say rose, it's not just rose. Like there's all these other notes. We'll go through this in a minute. But I just think they've done such a great job with the packaging, the look, the feel, the artwork, and then the value. This giant tub, this thing is, how much is this? 200 grams. This is a ton of product. And as little as you need to actually make a lather, an investment like this will last you for like 6 months, maybe 9 months of continuous everyday usage. So it's a great value. Remember, you're buying all product. It's not a bunch of water added in. It's all product. And then they also have these beautiful lines of shaving creams. If you don't want to, carry this around, maybe want to throw something smaller in your travel tube or at the gym or whatever, you can just have a smaller tube of this stuff. And then, of course, who can't forget some of the awesome skin foods? I still remember buying skin food from these guys and wondering, what is skin food? But it's real. You put that kind of stuff on after you're done shaving, and it feels so good. It's so good for your skin. Let's take a minute to go through some of these. But yeah, this brand is just one of the classics. Limes. Bright green bursts of life force charge from the tangy sharpness of our extract of limes. And as every pore is infused with the zing and zest of freshly squeezed West Indian limes, so an exhilarating thrill is marvelously bestowed. Containing the concentrated essences of West Indian limes, this is truly a vibrant and fresh scent. Sandalwood. Mystery and sensuality smolder beneath the velvet layers of our sandalwood. Made using natural sandalwood oil from the Myors region of India, whilst woody, warm murmurs exude the suggestion of pepper and spicy notes from its sumptuous depths. Spanish leather. An unusually deep, rich intrigue glows from the lavish depths of this warm, heady fragrance. Hazy waves of sensual musk combine with the mysterious woody, spicy tones of patchouli, sandalwood, and vanilla to make this wonderful scent. GFT. The signature GFT scent is fresh and invigorating with top notes of bergamot, lemon, and mandarin, a heart of tarragon, lavender, and cypress, and a musk-like base with cedar and moss. Next up is rose, and man, does it smell like fresh flowers, freshly cut roses. It's invigorating. With such first-rate nourishing properties, shaving with coconut oil will prevent dryness to the skin. The coconut smells fresh like an island breeze, almost like you're sipping on a pina colada. It is really decadent. Awesome. I love it. Well, if you have an opportunity to go to London, you go through the old historic part of town, you go to Curzon Street or St. James, you got to check these guys out. They still have the original mahogany case in the lobby. They still have the original storefront. This is old school cool. It doesn't get much better than GeoF Trumper. If you haven't already done so, check it out. If you have one of these that you love and you like, tell me below in the comments. I want to hear from you. Which one's the favorite? Which one's the best? That's all I got. We'll see you guys next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving.